and good morning. The national television channels have been abuzz with pieces of news of violence. The communal clash in Haryana, the Manipur clash between two tribal groups going on for months. These are just a few instances. In a world of constant war and disharmony, to reflect on unity and diversity is quite apt. Here I am, Harshitha of Grade 7 from the NGP school with my story. Once, in the bustling city of Amritsar, lived a young boy named Jasdeep. He was naughty and often got into arguments with his friends about their respective cultures. When Jasdeep's mother heard repeated complaints about him, she decided to take him to the Golden Temple, hoping that the teachings of love and compassion at the temple would change him. At the Golden Temple, Jasdeep saw people from all walks of life. They were welcome to visit the temple and seek solace there. On a particular day, before the afternoon meal was served at the langar, one of the gurus addressed the crowd and said, "Each ingredient in this meal serves a purpose, and they are different too. The turmeric adds a beautiful color, cumin adds depth and power, and coriander adds a distinct fragrance. And their only spirit is to give a tasty and delicious food by uniting together." Inspired by the speech and the other activities there, Jasdeep decided to volunteer and contribute his services to this noble cause. One afternoon, as Jasdeep was helping to serve at the langar, he noticed an elderly, weary woman in tattered clothes sitting alone in a corner. She looked hesitant, perhaps unsure whether she was welcome at the langar. Jasdeep approached her and gently asked, "Would you like to have some food, sister?" She nodded silently. Jasdeep placed a plate of hot dal and roti in front of her and said, "Our langar is open to all, sister. Please enjoy the meal." As she began to eat, she remarked, "This food is delicious, and the love with which it is served makes it even more nourishing to the soul." As they ate together, Jasdeep learned that the woman was a Muslim named Fatima. She had heard about the langar and had come to seek solace in a warm meal. In that simple act of sharing and serving a meal, Jasdeep and Fatima transcended the barriers of religion and culture. At that moment, they were not Sikhs or Muslims, but two human beings connected by the common thread of compassion and humanity. Well, my short story ends here. By celebrating our differences and treating one another with kindness, we can create a world where unity and diversity prevails and the humanity shines the brightest. In retrospect, like the Golden Temple, there are many such places of worship across all religions that still shine as beacons of hope. Let's embrace the meaning of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one big family. Thank you.